How you doing, Christian? First of all, I want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I know you're a crazy busy guy, traveling the world, fucking bitches, and just being a fucking G. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. My name is Nestor Mendoza, and I'm an entrepreneur here in Orange County, California. My main business is auto repair. I have 3 auto repair shops here in Orange County, and I do a whole bunch of online businesses as well. I have a YouTube channel with over 35,000 subscribers. I have a blog, and I just started a brand new company called MyLaughFacts.com that focuses on getting guys to check their fucking testosterone levels, because we don't want them to be fucking pussy soy boys, right? We also do hormone panel testing, vitamin panel testing, STD checks, pretty much anything that has to do with blood testing, we can do. And the reason why I'm contacting you is because I've been a long-time reader of your blog, of your Twitter, I watch your Instagram, and I've been a long-time reader of your email list, of your newsletter. And in today's newsletter, I saw that you were recommending guys to get their testosterone levels checked. And I was like reading it and I go, man, you know, Christian doesn't have an affiliate link with anybody. Let me contact him and see if he wants to sign up with us, because you're a perfect person to affiliate our product, because you know exactly what it takes to be a fucking G. Number one. Number two, you know exactly what it is to get your testosterone checked, because if guys are low, you know, they gotta fucking raise that shit up somehow. Whether it's on TRT, whether it's, you know, getting proper supplementation, fucking more girls, traveling the world, and being a fucking G. So our service, pretty much how it works, is that you put your affiliate link, guys click on that, go to the website, they buy the panel that they want, and then they buy that panel, go on the zip code, clinic locator, type in their zip code, find the nearest clinic to them, get their blood drawn. 7 to 10 days later, we send them the results, and they can see whether or not they're low. And if they're low, they took the proper steps to raise that shit up. But basically, that's how it works. And like I said, you're somebody that we would love to work with, because you're exactly what we want as an affiliate. Fucking gangster. If you have any questions on who I am, email me. If you have any questions on our service, our affiliate, or how our commissions work, we have really good commission rates for people like you that have a huge platform. So please let me know if you have any questions. All my social media accounts are in the description below, and you can watch my YouTube channel and check me out there. If you have any questions, please let me know. Like I said, you've been a big inspiration for me, and your blog has helped me a lot. So I do appreciate all the content that you put out. You know, you living your life the way you do and just not giving a fuck, you know, just shows a lot of guys the life they can be having. So I appreciate everything you do, Christian, I really do. If you have any questions, let me know, like I said. And thank you so much for everything, Christian. Take care, buddy.